Yo, what's up? So it's me, Contra Vida Vlogs, and I would like to greet you. Happy birthday, Z! So keep going. Enjoy live streaming and session live. And wishing you more birthdays to come and good health as well. Bye-bye! Hope to see you soon also.
Happy birthday, Zara Cosmos. Happy birthday, Zara Cosmos. Happy birthday, Zara Cosmos. Happy birthday, Zara Cosmos.
Hi, I am Divine Joven Channel, and today I want to greet to a happy birthday to you, our baby Zara Cosmos. And baby, for your young age, now maging you're 11, I think 11 years young age, and you will become 12 years old, right? Babe, you are so talented, too much pretty, and you look like so princess. You are a princess for our family, team siblings, you know. And they just keep it up. Your talent, you have talent, singing, and everything, and you have everything all too. And today I will greet you again a happy birthday to you. God bless you, baby, and more powers, more energy, and more project to come. And just keep it up, baby, and God bless you, and I love you. This is Tita Divine Joven. Say bye.
Hello everyone. I just want to greet a happy birthday to our baby Zay, baby Zara's Cosmos, our baby. You baby, have a wonderful, happy, healthy birthday to you. And you are blessed kasi nandiyan ang iyong mommy at ang iyong daddy. You are blessed kasi they are loving, caring, napaka-supportive ni Ma'am Shea sa'yo. Meron kang parents na napaka-supportive at mga titas na nandito lang. Ayun, yun lang baby ko, na sana masaya ka sa iyong birthday, and we wish na matupad ang iyong mga pangarap. Yun lang, happy birthday, baby Jay. We love you.
Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, at good afternoon sa lahat. Ayan. First of all, I want to say thank you to our Almighty Father. Ayan. At binigyan tayo ng magandang araw, panahon, at lalo na sa ating kalusugan. Ayan. So second, I want to greet happy birthday to you, Sarah. Ayan, I hope that you are in good health always, Sarah. Ayan. So your very nice voice. Ayan. You're so very talented child, Sarah. Ayan. Saludo ako sa iyo, Sarah. Ayan. Sana ay maging mabait ka sa iyong parents. Ayan. So lagi akong rinig sa iyong boses. Napakagaling ng bata ka. You're so very nice voice. Golden voice pala. Golden voice. Ayan. Once again, happy birthday to you, Sarah. Bilaw ka mayo.
Hi Z, happy birthday, Zara Cosmos, our very own young and intelligent young lady. Happy birthday, and I love you. You know that you and your mom are the best thing happened to me, knowing you guys in the YT world. At the early age, you inspired many people. So continue doing it, and we're always here to support you. I'm always busy, you know that, but No matter what happened, you're always here. You and your mom are always here in my heart. I will treasure that time that we are always like our sleepless night, attending the live show. And I'm so thankful that I found you both. So I wish you good health. I wish you good luck in your career. I know you will be a famous one day. And we're always here to support you. No matter what, we are always here to love and to guide you. We love you so much. Again, happy birthday, Sarah. And I'm always praying for all our friends, especially in YT. And sorry that most of the time I cannot attend your LS. I cannot attend your premiere, but you're always in my prayer. I love you and God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Zara Cosmos. Thank you for your love and support. And may God bless you with good health. And wish for more birthdays to come. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hello, Zara Z, gorgeous girl. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I wish you all the best and success on your session and also on your YouTube channel. I'm always here whenever I'm free. And have a good day. Bye.
Hello, Zara! Happy birthday sa'yo! I wish you all the best sa iyong singing career. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yan at alam kong malayo pa ang mararating mo. Happy birthday ulit and enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
All the best and good luck. And yeah, we're #1 fan here from the UK.
Keep singing!
Happy birthday!
Hello there, Baby Z. In behalf of Crazy Bob, we would like to wish you a marvelous happy birthday. So, actually we have the same birth month. I just had mine last 9th. So, pareho tayo. Anyway, wishing you all the best, and especially to your channel that I've heard about its progress. So, continue on posting videos regarding or about your talent, your singing talent. I have always been amazed watching your singing videos, your gigs. So I love your talent, and I hope one day, I hope to see you on the top singing industry. So good luck to you, my dear Baby Z. And enjoy your day and have fun.
Happy birthday to our Baby Z. Alam ko na malayo ang mararating. Kapag dumating na yun, yung panahon na yun, huwag mo ako kalimutan, ha? Enjoy mo lang ang birthday mo. I-enjoy mo lang. Continue to work hard to reach your goal. Okay, happy birthday ulit sa'yo. Bye. Happy birthday, Zara. This is a cake for you.
Happy birthday to the super blessed and I know. Kinsey Superstar, King Chef. Enjoy being a teenager. Enjoy every bit of it, but always be a good girl and be obedient to your parents, and you will be more successful in your future. Happy birthday again from your Tita Adele. Adele Cakes and Music.
Hi! Happy birthday, Sarah! We miss you and I love you. Good health, both of you there.
Happy birthday, Ate Sarah. I love you.
Hello, Ate Sarah. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Sana maging masayang araw to para sa'yo kahit na nasa gitna tayo ng pandemic. Love you po.
Hello, Z. Happy birthday, baby Z. Keep it up in singing para pag ano ka na, pag sikat ka na, uy, ako number 1 fan mo. Pag ano, di ba? Happy birthday, Z. Happy birthday na. Kaya, Z.
Happy birthday. Alam mo yan, kahit malayo kami ni Tito Bong, alam mo yan na mahal ka namin. Mag-iingat kayo palagi ng mami mo at daddy mo. I love you, Z.
Happy birthday, Z. Lily Buddy.
Pag-aral ng mabuti. Bye-bye. I love you.
Happy birthday, Zara! Wishing you more birthday to come, more blessings to receive, and may Almighty God guide you, protect you, and enjoy every time and then. May Almighty God be always with you in your career. Just enjoy and have fun. And we love you from miles away. Tita Cha and Tito Robert is always here for you, no matter what happened, okay? We love you, Z.
Hi, Sarah. Happy birthday of the vlogging. Maraming followers ka na at saka dito lang kami ni Tita mo, Charla. We support you, Sarah. Happy birthday and wish you a good health, and also to your mom. Guide ka ni Lord palagi sa yung ginagawa. Happy birthday!
We love you, Zara! Love you!
Hi, Zara. Happy birthday to you. I'm very proud of you. You're my greatest thing that happened to me. Very progress to my life. And I'm very proud of all your achievements and keep doing the same and improvise on everything. And whatever you're doing, keep moving forward and improve and aim for the stars. And become a successful and good person in life. We wish you all the best in your life. Good luck.
Happy birthday! 14 ka na ngayon. So, malapit na tayong sumali sa Miss Universe. Yun ang pinalawag mo pa kung dapat kong kuhin. Pero magdadagdag ko. We love you to the moon and galaxy. We are always here praying for your safety always. We wish you good health, brilliant mind, keep the good spirit to fight for life. And of course, keep shooting, clicking the stars. You know what I mean. Be a good kid as you always do. Be a good caring girl. And you know, we are just here always, no matter what. We love you to the moon and galaxy.